Hello folks, here we are today in Brio in Winter Park with the manager James, and we're going to talk about food, how it impacts your physiology, how it improves your energy levels and affects your brain chemistry.
Well folks, here at Brio Tuscan Grill, we pride ourselves on using only the finest, highest quality ingredients found locally sourced for all of our restaurants, meats, and produce as well. In addition to our printed menu, which most folks choose to sit down and order directly off of, we have full range ability to customize any entree or any dish specifically to your needs or dietary restrictions. All you have to do is simply ask. Tell us what you can eat and we'll make a dish custom just for you.
Okay folks, right now we're going to talk about how food impacts your performance, and certain food combinations are going to impact your performance, whether you're an executive or an athlete, okay? Protein first to stay alert. Protein impacts your brain. If you're about to go into a meeting or you're going to recover from exercise, protein is needed to maintain your muscle mass, to maintain your brain function. The carbohydrates here are needed for antioxidant, for fiber protection. The starches are needed to help us relax at night. A lot of folks that eat the starches by themselves end up getting sleepy. Okay, so we have to use these combinations together to maintain our energy level, to maintain our cognitive function. So by just rotating these foods and incorporating these different foods in your diet, you can make your body and your mind resonate. An example, if you're about to go into a meeting and you want to stay focused, these two combinations here, vegetables and protein, will help you focus. After that meeting, if you want to relax and kick back, the meeting is over with, you would incorporate some of the starches. The starches, we say, is poor man's Prozac, because it elevates the serotonin levels in your brain and it relaxes you for the rest of the night. There's a great book on the market called Potatoes Not Prozac that talks about the relaxing effect of starches. So what we want to be able to teach you is different food combinations can make your body resonate, and you could choose these combinations from a menu. With diabetes and obesity on the rise, it's really important to understand your blood sugar and what does that mean? What happens when your blood sugar goes up? When you eat a food and your blood sugar goes up too high, you produce something called AGEs, A-G-E-S, advanced glycosated end products. That's no different than if you cut an apple in half and that part of the apple gets brown. That's AGEs, advanced glycosated end products. So what we want to do is when we combine a meal, we want to keep our blood sugar down, because sugar is very toxic to our brain and our metabolism, okay? Protein does not spike our blood sugar. Protein will keep our blood sugar stable. A vegetable on the glycemic index is about 70, so it's not going to spike our blood sugar levels. Now the starches break down very quickly. If you eat the starches alone, it's going to skyrocket your blood sugar, it's going to elevate insulin levels, and then you're going to crash. A lot of people that eat starches, as we said, it helps you relax at night because it really impacts the brain chemistry. If we think about our brain using 20% of our circulating glucose, or our blood sugar, at all times, we are most metabolically active at night. So these foods in the right combination can support our brain chemistry, can support our muscles or the sports that we're involved in. Okay folks, technology is really going to allow us to do some amazing things. We're going to be consulting with restaurants where people will have an app in their smartphone and they'll be able to scan the menu. If they have a certain disease or they're trying to lose a little weight, that app will allow them to pick out the foods that they need. So these restaurant chains that we're consulting with are going to be able to help people in real time pick these food combinations out that could affect and help them with their metabolism, everything from weight loss to energy levels.